If you're an over 50 and starting to notice your legs feel weaker, or maybe your knees ache more than they used to, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common signs of age-related muscle loss, something that happens naturally but can be completely reversed with the right kind of movement. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple leg exercises you can do right at home. These are low-impact, joint-friendly movements that will help you build strength, stability, and confidence, no matter your fitness level. You don't need any fancy equipment, no gym membership, and definitely no crazy workouts that leave you drenched in sweat. Just your body, a bit of space, and a few minutes a day. Now, let's get one thing straight. Walking 10,000 steps a day is great. It's fantastic for your past heart health, your circulation, and your mental clarity. But here's the truth most people over 50 don't realize. Walking alone won't bring back the muscle mass we naturally lose with age. After 50, your body starts losing muscle at a faster rate, especially in the legs and hips. This is why stairs feel harder, balance feels off, and knees start to ache. But the good news, you can absolutely reverse that decline. And it doesn't take hours of training. So let's dive into these 5 powerful leg exercises for older adults that can rebuild your strength, protect your joints, and bring back that feeling of being steady on your feet again. Exercise 1, the resting squat. Start with one of the most natural positions your body was designed for, the resting squat. Stand with your feet a little wider than hip-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Slowly sink down, keeping your heels flat on the floor, chest lifted, and back straight. Go as low as feels comfortable for you, no need to force it. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Then come back up slowly. This movement improves hip mobility, strengthens your ankles, and gently stretches tight muscles around your lower body. In countries where people sit in this position daily, knee and hip pain are far less common. Try this a few times a day to wake up those tight joints and get your body moving the way it was meant to. Exercise 2, Bulgarian split squat. Don't let the name scare you, it's simpler than it sounds. Stand a couple of feet in front of a chair or couch. Place one foot behind you on the seat, keeping the other foot flat on the floor. Now slowly lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the ground. Keep your front knee above your ankle, not past your toes. Push back up to the starting position. This exercise is incredible for building single leg strength, improving balance, and taking long-term pressure off your knees. It helps even out muscle imbalances that come with age. Do 5 to 10 reps per leg, resting as needed. Exercise 3, glute bridge. Lie down on your back with knees bent and feet flatten on the floor, about hip-width apart. Now, press your feet into the ground and lift your hips up toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold that position for 20 seconds. Squeezing your glutes at the top, slowly lower back down and repeat. This is one of the best home exercises for seniors because it strengthens your glutes, core, and lower back, all essential muscles for staying upright, balanced, and pain-free. If your lower back or hips ever feel weak or stiff, this move is a game changer. Exercise 4, forward lunges. Now let's bring in a classic, the forward lunge. Take a step forward with one foot and bend both knees until they form a 90-degree angle. Keep your chest lifted and core tight. Push off your front heel to return to the starting position, then switch legs. Go slow and controlled, no rush here. This move builds leg strength, boosts balance, and trains your body to handle real-life movements like walking upstairs or getting up from a chair. Aim for 5 to 10 reps on each side. If balance is tricky, hold onto a wall or chair for support while you build confidence. Exercise 5, wall squats. To wrap it up, we've got the wall squat, an isometric move that will fire up your thighs without putting stress on your knees. Stand with your back against a wall and slowly slide down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your back pressed into the wall and hold this position for 30 seconds. You'll feel that deep burn in your thighs, and that's exactly what you want. It means your muscles are working. Do a few rounds, resting between sets, and you'll start to feel stronger every week. Now, here's the key. Consistency beats intensity. You don't have to do all these exercises every single day, but aim for 3 to 4 times per week. In just a few weeks, you'll notice your knees hurt less, your balance improves, and your legs feel more powerful when walking, climbing stairs, or even getting out of bed. Remember, being over 50 doesn't mean slowing down, it means training smarter. These exercises help you build the kind of strength that keeps you active, independent, and confident for decades to come. So, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who could use stronger legs, and don't forget to subscribe. For more science-based fitness tips designed for men and women over 50, let's keep moving, keep growing, and keep your body young, one step at a time.